too. Bid and ask. Take a look at the gold. Again, new overnight highs made. Up at 30.65. Last trade 30.47.
Nice 1 minute range NASDAQ. It's about 48 to 76.
This is very similar to where I was trying to buy it yesterday. This type of price action. We're getting a little bit of a pullback off those highs. And then it looks like we're trying to break above these 70s. But yesterday we fell through right down to like the VWAP or somewhere lower. So I'm not going to buy it here, even though it's tempting.
It is tempting, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Toby, this time's different.
Of course it is.
Every time.
Every time it's a little different. Yep, it's patience. It's happened twice today, though. We've had these pullbacks, right? 50-point pullback, ripped higher.
All right, let's try a long at 48. Let's see.
60-point pullback, ripped higher. 50, 60-point pullback.
See if we can just get 1-to-1. Ooh, got decent price action initially.
What price did you get, Dobie?
48 3/4. Just the exact bottom of that 1 minute range.
You got 48?
Yeah.
I said 48s, yep.
Let's just see if we can go 1-to-1. We can get up to like 60s, go to break even.
I just don't like the longs. It's just...
Yeah, it's funny. Like as soon as I got filled on that long, it seems like the ladder has just sort of changed its vibe pretty quickly.
Uncertainty. You could close it out. And
I was aiming that it was going to go over here.
Let's get back in.
I really thought it was going to go over here.
The last time I did that, Dakota, it ended up being a great short. So
my live, I'm
don't want to be
200.
over managing trades too much. I don't really know the outcome, but man, this certainly does not feel good right now.
64.
You're still short, Tony?
Yeah, still short 1 NQ.
Nice.
Confirming the failed upside auction in 25 seconds.
Confirmed? Oh, 25 seconds? Okay.
We'll reduce our risk on this.
Basically, it's confirmed. It's going to open below the IB high, so.
All right, see if we can hold this 20,045. Gold back up to overnight VWAP 30.48.
Now, Tony, if you don't get stopped out on it, marry it.
You're kidding, huh?
Order filled.
Put a ring on it. You should have told me that last night, Hogue. Where were you at?
What were you short from? What were you short from, Dakota?
I was short 10 NASDAQ from 076.
All right, we're out.
This thing.
See, minus 661.
2003.
Never should have flattened that first one. Never should have flattened the first one. That was the trade.
All right, Hogue. Top of the hour is come and gone.
Failed upside auction. Order filled. The probability of reaching the other extreme of the initial balance is high.
What price would that be?
The open.
Price
19,756 is the low of the initial balance.
Shit. All the way down there?
It increases the probability of it, yeah.
Yeah.
When you have a failed upside auction that targets the other extreme of the initial balance.
All roads, Coach Jay.
I saw that.
Let's run some
All
stops.
roads.
If I'm long, I can see stops in these 70s. I definitely see stops in these 70s.
I'm pushing lower here again. 20,019, 020. But I want to see how we get to 20,000 evens. Crude about a penny off the highs. Keep an eye on this NASDAQ. Crude cooking. I know. I see that hoop.
Wait, cooking up or cooking down?
Cooking up.
Is it
Cooking
like
up. 67, 67.99. New highs just put in there. We might be accelerating on the downside here. Tony. He's trailed the stop. How do you
I moved it down to 058. I think our final price target on this is that VWAP and previous day close at 19,945. We do have a fair value gap on the 5-minute, just under 19,974.
Jack might be coming back here.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, I
Still
see
short
that.
2 MES. Thank goodness.
Look at that. I didn't forget it.
Nice.
Jack's still short.
Hell yeah.
Tell you what,
Okay. Yeah.
just place the trade, leave, and come back, and it's valid.
Let the market do the hard work.
Tony, are you in this trade picking out China patterns and drapes and stuff right now?
What's that?
You guys picking out China patterns and picking out drapes for the new place? Order filled.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, right.
Nice.
Be rich in the chat. Thank you for making it possible. What do you got? What do you got, Coda?
I was saying that big round number of 20,000 is
I know.
getting closer and closer.
It's right there.
Thank you, Be Rich. Straight 20,029. Tony trailing stop to the downside. 50-50 on the tilt in the equities. Much slower pace, much slower velocity of these moves. For now.
Man, crude oil's just got some big legs.
Crude ain't done. Crude ain't done.
Order filled. You may see that in gold as well.
Dow chopping around the highs, about 40 points off the highs in the Dow. Last trade 42,560.
Order filled.
See if we can get short here. Maybe around the 40s.
5.
See if we set up a new stair step low. We topped out there.
Is what I'm working with.
Maybe this is the third.
75
Stair
will
step low
be
set up.
more or less right there. 34, we got in at 21. 21.
Quiet day for headlines
31.
right now. I hear you talking yourself, Dakota. What are you saying?
34.
Yeah, I'm just
14
looking.
points.
Like I said,
21,
20,000, big round
31,
number.
32,
There's
33,
definitely going to be
34,
some
13
stops in
points.
these 60s on this push higher. So just patience. If we get down there, I'll trade. If not, I'm done for the day.
Tony, do you have socials other than TikTok?
They want your.
I do not. I'm recording some videos to make a YouTube channel. So
nice.
I'm back on with you guys next Tuesday. So hopefully by then I'll drop something for you guys.
Oh
boy, Tony!
So
welcome to the dark side, Tony.
Yeah, right.
You're crazy, man.
It's a rabbit hole, man.
And for 14
long and
points.
hard about that.
Honestly, I still
Tilt
believe
right now.
that we are
chilling in this
coming
short.
here. But the more I look at these two candles here, the less I think so.
You seen some more selling here?
I believe it might come here, but
we had 88s.
Let me talk to you guys.
That one kind of hurts.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Let me talk to you guys.
Right now.
I thought I could get smarter after the trade was on.
The books, Andre. I've been watching.
Hasn't. Nothing.
No,
okay.
Seems like
honestly, the more I look at this candle, and I look what put attention. This had the opportunity to go through this.
Order
The
filled.
50. There we go.
450 off.
We're working it up.
Way out there. Yes, Dakota, I've noticed that as well. Constantly looking for it.
All right,
See
short
how the
one.
market reacts.
20,000.
What price we get? 34. 20,000. 034.
Order filled.
Micro.
Oh, what happened?
All
Did
right.
we go short or we went long? We went long.
I don't know
Okay.
if I trust these buyers stepping in here.
I don't know if I do either. Volume. I'm tapering off here.
Come on, push. Short squeeze. Come on.
Hands off.
We just need 75. 75.
Millennium.
Well, maybe a little more.
Who wants to see us get to those 20,000?
One.
Might be the new magnet.
And two. And
Idea
two.
here, Dre.
And
Yeah.
VWAP's in the 80s now.
We pushing down to 20K.
Give it a test, yes.
I mean, this could be full reversal back up here now.
Order filled.
Runs out of gas. Yep, sorry. Runs out of gas here. Got on the tilt.
We get back
Nothing
above
right now.
there we go. Look at this thing.
Come on now, go.
Sit on the ladder.
Beautiful long here for Alpine.
See
Still
James is
long.
back.
Rip it.
James.
Love to see it.
Thumbs up.
What is that? The 22.
Good. Talk to a
Stuff
guy
over.
about some music.
Ooh,
Really?
nice.
I like the sound of that. People in the chat. Hey, can we put up a poll really quick? We don't mind. You guys like DJ TopStep TV? Do you guys overall? Do you like the music that we play in
I
between
do.
segments?
I'm voting yes.
I think it's very
When I
good.
heard, I like
Get a poll. Get a poll. Do you
It's
enjoy the playlist we have here at TopStep?
I don't see buyers coming in.
It's yes or no?
Not liking that.
No way.
Yes.
It's fire. Just yeah. Put that poll up there.
should have a voting feature every.
There's a playlist.
Let's
up there.
go back to the
Right,
original
poll is up.
45.
Yes or no? Pretty decent.
Oh, it's
Give me
not
yes or no.
two.
Let that one cook for a little bit, Robert.
I need to
One of you guys are
I need
talking
to-
about this.
get with this program here.
I know. Well, why, Jack?
Because that's what I was in a meeting about.
That's exactly what James just said.
Mhm.
James, what you doing? Dolby, what were you doing while I'm away?
Yeah,
Short two.
not liking that it's having issues with the.
Sure,
Oh,
too.
there we go. We
Green
just
means
conquer
has to have
40s.
to it.
Come on, 52. I'm looking over here.
20,000
52 over here.
44,
Oh,
right.
there's a 40, a 15,
Just the
a
other day,
48.
Dobie, you even posted on
48,
Twitter on how much you love the
55.
micros.
Yeah. Push in the bush. Push in the bush. Push. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. You could get to the top of here. It's 92-ish. 92-ish.
See what happens.
92-ish. Where is 92-ish? Where is 92-ish? Where is 92-ish?
I am
What
out
is
of that
this?
short position.
Out, Tony. Update your P&L when you get a chance.
933.
By the way,
up or
right
down?
now,
Positive
Apex is
933?
80% off if you use the
Positive
code
933.
Tony.
PWNWBT.
There we
Outline,
go.
job, man.
80% off
Grinding
today
right now,
and
man.
tomorrow
Grinding.
for
Nice turnaround.
Yeah, good
Apex
turnaround.
Trainer.
Big time.
Helmet sync profit.
Son of a.
I forgot.
All right, we got.
That's where it all goes downhill for Nutty Bar. It's chat. Should have taken profit.
Thousand. Oh,
59 3/4, so went to 60s.
all right.
I still don't trust these buyers. We haven't had a good flush. I'm still looking for stop runs. I haven't seen anything too great.
Nice work to Alpine there either way. Still locking it down.
Poll is up. Right. When I say 50-50 on the tilt,
Oh,
I just mean
having a
underneath 60%.
Hell
right
of a
now,
time
for instance.
getting to the 50s.
NASDAQ right now 52% long, 48% short. I'll just flip 55% short. I'll just say 50-50.
You gotta go for
So we battling to update the MES position I was in. Came within 2 points of our stop. Came all the way back.
Let's go, amazing
I
trade.
lightened it up, so I'll just short 2 MES from right here residually. Still doesn't cross that level, but very low risk.
Right here.
In the trenches. All right,
full
got that
access
poll.
to Netty Bar's
500 votes. That's
here right now.
good sample size. Do you like the Top Step
all the
TV
time.
playlist? 74% say yes.
We could. I'd love to be able to look at what songs they are and then vote on individual songs because I like most of them.
James?
Yeah, they're good.
James, sorry.
There is a Spotify playlist, but I admit I'm really bad about updating. So I'll get on that.
He's not going long. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. The bathroom long.
Shazam. I have Shazam.
Winners on the table for much longer.
Oh, we got a list here. All right,
We got two
let's kind of chop
minutes
around
on
the
this.
beholding pattern right now.
I'm gonna let it go.
Order filled.
They sound like
Gonna let it
royalty-free jams.
Gonna
Yeah, that's
let
what we
it
got to work with. There's a poll.
I just
Like
learned that
it.
the ones with royalties are the most complicated thing ever, Andre. There's a bunch of different studios and creators that
It's
can
kind of like
sue you
invalidates.
or
It's kind of like head and shoulder type looking
Yeah.
setup. And then we push up here. Maybe stay high.
Yes, I've heard the
Kinda get
music
above that
business
60
is
or
very,
gonna go.
very
It's gonna drop. If we
I'd
break
say
out
great.
here, then I think we're gonna
It's
work
not
our way.
great.
not
It's
yeah,
either go up or down.
a lot of undercutting.
Tell me it's gonna go up. Yeah.
Not a lot of slots available
I mean, it looks like it
for
wants to go up.
to be famous. Very, very few, in fact.
I'm trying to push through there at the 16th once again.
A little bit of a what happened there in crude. We just got super wicky. Oh, 30 point
Order filled.
30 tape, 30-cent tape bomb up there in crude. Last trade $68.06. Bottomed out at 67.87. Popped all the way up to say 17s. Crude just saw a big pop in volume there. Litigious, thank you. That's the word.
It got called out. Victoria just
You
called
did
out.
get that
Netty Bar.
3-bar reversal on the 5-minute chart.
Oh yeah, no, that's not.
Let's see how this one plays out. I don't like it because to me we didn't really flesh out many stops. But yeah, we'll see. The entry would be long from like 051.
Order filled.
008. 1-to-1. We'd need to get all the way back up here towards these 90s. So it's just too much. It's just too much. Not enough meat on the bone.
Hey, let's keep an eye open here, just over the wire. Crude traders, heads up here, might take effect.
Yeah.
The U.S. poised to extend the Chevron Venezuela oil deadline past April 3rd. Hey, my birthday. This coming over the wire is a hot biscuit. See if it does anything here to crude. Back to you, Andre.
All right, thank you, Eddie. Yeah, so we saw that big pop in volume in the crude. Stabilized there. It's got $68.06. Tony, what do you got? 2 trades today? 1 winner, 1 loser? 3
It's
trades?
3 trades. 3 trades. 1 loser, 2 winners.
Alrighty, $100. Any new price levels you're looking at right now as we're kind of consolidating right now? 20,054. Perhaps another test at the highs of day. What are you looking at, Tony?
Yes.
Order filled.
Zone right above high of day.
Alrighty. High day,
Short here looks
20,105.
tempting. Short here in the 40s looks tempting for that push towards 20,000. Could this be a lower high? Is this a lower high that we're seeing for? Lower high, look for a push down towards 20,000, maybe even lower.
Dakota, when you're trading by yourself off camera, you talk to yourself like this? I'm being like, yeah. You think out loud like
In
this
my
to
head.
yourself?
In my head, I've gotten into a habit that I've been trying to think out loud for everybody, especially in my slow markets where it's just me by myself. And so I've been thinking out loud. And sometimes, yeah, I've started catching me more and more talking out loud when I'm not on stream.
Tony, do you speak to yourself or think out loud? It's just you off camera.
Only when I'm cussing it's out loud, but
That's it.
to myself.
You just sit there in silence. You just stay locked in. You're amazing, man. You fascinate me.
Yeah.
love it. Just lock.
More vocal on the golf course.
No.
Yeah.
I-
No one can hear me
I
out there.
talk to the golf ball. I talk to the golf ball.
750.
I told a story on the stream, Andre. Right, I was playing golf with this guy, an older gentleman who was just losing his mind with every bad shot, just like, you know, mother f this, C sucker, oh god, like just like about to break his club, and then he would turn around and like just Dr. Jekyll
But I'm out of there.
and just be like, wow, what a day! Nothing beats being out here, right, guys?
Order filled.
Good stuff.
What a feel? What?
I've never seen
He's
anything
got a
like
few
it.
inner demons that he's been bottling up.
Incredible.
The short is working.
Happy Gilmore. I'm excited for that
unimaginable.
movie.
Let me look
coming out.
over here.
Yeah.
What?
You see the
That's
trailer?
amazing. Are they done filming?
You guys see that Happy
know.
Gilmore trailer?
I know there's a lot of PGA pros
was
that are
out.
going to be making cameos.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw Bryson's in there. I think I saw Spieth is in there. Rory's going to be in there.
Yeah.
Finau might be in there.
Alright, Nutty Bar is still long here. 1 micro. All the guests have 1 micro for Nutty Bar.
Well, we should have a watch party. Would they like?
Order filled.
Have we ever had a
Out
top
in
tip
July or
party
something.
other than
His stop loss.
other than Jerome Powell?
And I didn't know it was Wolf.
Nah, the inauguration.
Nvidia earnings.
This is
boring stuff?
Inauguration until we were signed.
crucial here for everyone to understand.
Cut us.
This right here, coupled with, oh my god, what happened to my
Lower high.
shit? Hold on, I just noticed
You want to
something.
show all this stuff? It's just so hard to do
Yeah.
because when you're streaming live,
Like,
on YouTube,
where-
algorithms
where's
go
my
through
buddy?
what you have to type
Where's
in
my
and not.
my crime partner?
Sometimes,
Okay, so
like,
value
get-
point of control. Right before even seeing value point of control here, which we will remove.
I'm gonna roll over here. 42,005.
Look at
10.
this,
About 90.
and look at the that volume there, right?
Sideways right now. Bear
To
flag,
the
what do you see?
downside.
Some people
And
are
then
saying
this
bear, or
one-
bull flag.
Even higher,
Highs put in
but it
Hogue.
was more
Hogue.
selling,
Yo.
and because look at the
So if we were
body
still
on
short,
this
for instance,
doji.
and you still,
And then this one is 4 minutes, a new candle.
would you still like
It
the
has
shorts?
about 4
Instead of
minutes and
seeing
change.
Lack of follow through to the downside.
And look at that.
You see, it's a short.
It's staying
slow
right there
To me it
That's what
is.
you're seeing.
at
In my
that
judgment,
box that I
auction,
did here.
it's
This
everything.
box,
At
then
this
I
point,
did
that's
this
the most
box.
important
I
nuance
think it was
that
a
we
total of
should
3
pay,
boxes.
other than
Was
the phone.
there?
I mean, other than
Yeah,
the
there's
fact
the
that
other one
it's
right
below
here.
the damn
I think.
section.
Let me see.
But that failed upside auction is important. You know, that's the most recent market generated information that says the most to me. I would still be short. You know, it's trying to get short now is where the challenge is
Mhm.
because there's no guarantees it's that you know we're going to actually roll over as far as
Order filled.
so
We are short 3 MES from 75. We've been in this
Martin,
trade
I
for more
told
than
you-
an hour, and I'm looking at the same thing in my
I was looking at
chart
this
right
for
now.
long, right? But then I changed my mind
Up
because I say,
is this
wow,
is
it's got to
stop
get through the
sign,
9. It's got to get
hold
through the
time,
50. It's got to
and
get
it's
through this
cleared the 5700 SPX.
the
This
aqua.
is
I
my
think
stop
is
here. It's not quite at the high
oh
from the
my
other day,
God.
but it is where it would start to
Settlement.
transition, like roll up to
Yeah,
the next
settlement from yesterday.
we
That's
don't have a lot of
settlement right there.
3, we're only
The
running
regular big wap
95 bucks
and
right
today's
now.
big wap.
But if it rolls
I
back the
think
other
it's
way,
this white one
once
here.
again, small size. A little in
Yeah.
our favor right now.
Got to make it a different color so I can
go back to my charts. I'll show
make
you.
it different from
the initial balance high 5760.
maybe
We took one look above it, closed back below it on the 30-minute
Maybe
bar, opened the next 30-minute
this
bar
one.
below it. That is excess. That is a
Spicy.
failed auction to the upside. The auction ended. A new auction lower began. As long as we remain below that, then the upside auction is over. How far the downside auction is going to go, we don't know.
20,000. So let's see if we get those 20,000s.
Do it.
It looks like a lower high
Could go,
here on the
could
5
go
minute
more than
chart,
that.
and I can see a
Trending
breakdown.
higher.
I still believe there's some stops piled up in these 960s, and VWAP's at 986. Lower high. I mean, I can see this thing breaking. I'm jumping into a
I
short.
wonder what
a
it's
short
gonna
from
do here.
0.2.
It
022.
has
All right,
8
20,000.
minutes.
022. Grandine, subscribe.
Don't just talk it, trade it.
That's right. 20,000. 022. How many times, Dakota?
1.
Good stuff. That's straight. 20,000. 018. 6 now. 746.
It's the last hour, Dunny. See, I mean, again, it's like what we proved the point, right? These breakouts.
Shout out to
Okay,
Michael
I like
Boone
it.
watching Southern
I
Florida.
want so much to go along with this. Crazy.
$68.10. All right, short. It's a bit 50
You
50
see,
on the tilt
it's
for
the
most
time
part.
too. The reversal started here. 10:45.
Risk there, Dakota.
I'm glad
CYA at 49.
I came
My
back
finger
with
on the
this.
button. I wanted to see
I
it
really
break
need
down now. That was
like
kind of a breakout
$300
trade,
more,
and we did not break out.
so I can play with that better.
Held them for a moment.
But for right now, let's put on the
I'm just gonna close it out.
mighty,
I'll get back.
the
in. I
mighty.
don't mind taking a little 8-point loss to get back in for one contract.
I take my own trades, although I'm looking at here and there. I just trade my own thing and I get my own results. And I'm not complaining, oh, I follow this dude and he got out and I got in and I stayed in, or whatever. I've been there, done that. I like my own trades. So right now, we're going to go long because we got 6 minutes to go all the way up. You want to see this go up.
No. Short from 57.75.
Order filled.
Okay? So 40s. Where are the buyers? Here comes one 47, 40, 36, 40.
755.
Let's see. How strong are you? You rejected 30%. So this is a fair game.
Anything cool, Andre?
30% right there.
Cool.
That 3 that you see there.
Two winners, one loser.
Let me remove this. See the 30 right there. See that it touched the 9 rebound. It has time on this candle. Time in this candle to go up. It's short squeeze. So possible, but look at that's 2. That's 3 that rejecting this. Defending here. Defending this back boy right here. This one defending it. Look it. Defending. Defend it. But hey, but this is hard to get by right here. Very hard. Extremely hard to get by.
Yep. Rolled that.
It's just simple supply and demand. My supply and demand zones are charted on the hourly.
And I don't see it happening.
For reversals with large wicks.
I'm going to let it go.
Demand zone and,
that's honestly what I'm thinking.
The supply zones that are overlapping. So if price gets back up there, I mean, it's a pretty strong supply zone for me.
Still got these shorts on in the house count. All right, James, come on in. You have some very, very important news. You have this time.
Very important, Andre. It's always very important. It's never not important.
What do you got now?
You know what's important? So I don't know if you guys saw the news about Tracy Morgan. Tracy Morgan, courtside at a Knicks game,
Everywhere.
Puked all over the floor. And don't worry, I'm not going to show you a picture or a video of it. I don't really believe in showing that stuff. People who aren't willing or ready for it. But did you know Steven Spielberg's daughter was sitting right next to him when it happened?
I did not, James.
I saw
I did not know that.
I like Tracy
Yeah.
Morgan, man.
Oh, I love Tracy Morgan. He had a bad night though. Claims it was due to food poisoning. We're wishing him all the best. I feel like that guy is so funny. He's been through so much. Diabetes and now this. It comes for us all. But like I said, I'm not going to show you the picture of him vomiting, but here's her reaction from her Snapchat.
Yup.
I had a great time.
Look at that.
Apparently, it was her first courtside game.
Oh,
Ecstatic to sit next to Tracy before he became super pale, and then look at the picture if you got the stomach for it. It's
I saw it. It
like
stopped the
Family
game for like
Guy
10 minutes.
gag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
did they?
Oh yeah.
That's,
It's
Players just. Oh yeah.
That's the low key play if you need if you're out of timeouts.
Tracy, do it.
Sitting next to
Let's
Tracy
do it.
Morgan at like courtside is such a 30 Rock bit.
Especially when he does that. That's a
Spielberg's
Tracy
daughter.
Jordan
Yeah.
thing to do.
Yeah.
A next story. Do you guys like chicken nuggets? You want to get paid $5,000 to eat them for science? Well, here's your deal. The government wants to understand the health effects of ultra-processed foods. So it paid people $5,000 to eat chicken nuggets. Science. Science. That's
to
what
do
we
a study.
That's what we
Need to
told
do
my
a
little
study
brother.
on
We made him eat worms out of the backyard growing up. Science. You need to do it. Science is very important. My body's a temple that someone already trashed years ago, so I would
Explain.
tomorrow.
This one, they were selling. Oh, I'm sorry. This one they were buying.
But yeah, I guess
They were buying to go down.
Their results.
Once it got here, they bought some more. And they are loaded. Loaded.
And I think we kind of talked about this story earlier in the year, but the guys arrested for stealing the all gold toilet at the town mill.
Is it paint or is
Oh,
that was that?
really?
No,
gold
Dakota, that is
plated?
solid gold. That is not actual gold. It was made by an Italian artist, and it's fully functioning. The guy who owns it
Respect.
confirmed it's fully functioning.
Gold plated though? It's not just gold plated. How the heck do they
How
move
many
it?
Yeah, it's got to be. How many pounds of gold? Does it say in the article?
Our move.
Well, as I am an American, I just read the headline and not the actual article. Let's find out.
Let us know on it.
Oh, I love it.
You need a
Made from
forklift.
gold, worth around $3.5 million.
Let me do the math here.
Really?
Wow.
That's incredible.
Yeah, two guys can't lift that.
It was a
Heist.
four-man job. Four-man job, two guys booked though.
It's got to be plated or something. That's only like, if my math's right, like 72 pounds of gold. Trader math.
It's a heavy ass toilet, man.
Heavy toilet.
72.
The man who used it said it was splendid. So,
I respect. Splendid.
and Jackal, you crunch those numbers. My last story. My boy is back in the air. British Airways pilot back in the skies, snorting drugs off a woman's breast for flight.
Whoa.
Makes you fly better. I don't understand the big deal.
Fly higher.
Yeah. You become sharper. You're more aware of your heartbeat, of the blood rushing through your body. Yeah, he was confronted by the head of I don't know what the security is for pilots, but right, the FAA, who knows? But his quote upon asking, "Have you taken part in any illegal substances for flying the plane?" He apparently smiled and said, "I'm not going to do a British accent." He smiled and said, "I've been a cheeky, naughty boy."
My God, I forgot to rework this bitch.
Order filled.
Good news.
Thank you, James.
Thank you, James. Wow.
Cheeky
Hard
naughty
hitting
boy.
news around here. Top Step TV. All right, Dakota Short from 23. How many times, Dakota?
One. Looking for this breakdown into the 20,000. Let's get it.
Let's get it, Dakota. Come on in here. Bottom hour is coming gone. We got about 20 minutes left here in. Yeah, we're still short the MES. Tony in.
Okay. You just put your target right where Nutty Bar stopped.
Follow through.
Just
We got
right
to
where
05.
it's 7 and 3/4. Let's test it theory.
It's 05. It's just slow right now. Look at the tilt. 75% short. ES. 75% short.
Order filled.
57.48. Tony.
Hey, so what happened there?
I do
On
not.
your radar.
We went.
Nope.
I don't understand. Oh, because I went. Okay.
I love that. Tony, no
So
nonsense.
if we do 5,
Almost.
let me see.
Order filled.
What was that? 75. Crap. Crap. So we got
ES ladder. It has been pulled.
8.
We got NASDAQ ladder.
8,
70 lot down to 20,000.
9, 10,
70 lot
11,
down to
12,
20,000
13,
even,
14,
Dakota.
15. That's
Order filled.
7. Only 7. Only 7.
20,015.
Only 7. Only
VWAP's
7.
at 80s.
20,007. Mega Michael, that's like my goal every day. Comes on 20,000. All right, how's it going? It's short 2 MES. 70 on the bid, 20,000 even. We do have a morning recap coming up. Hope feeling better. Sound better. Good to have you back.
Order filled.
Thank you, same level. You got it, man. That's right, 20,000. Oh, 5s now. We're gonna go get that. Go get those.
So we
70
got 4.
There you go. There's 20s.
4.
There's 20s. Any follow through?
Yep.
4.
Order filled.
Crap, no. That's not what I wanted to do. My goodness. Oh, we coming here.
Hogue, definitely talk about
We
this.
coming to
morning recap. I'm sure you will.
86s.
But, make sure you guys stay tuned for that morning recap.
86s.
Instant replay, if you will.
86s.
Yeah, I'm out. 20K. 20,000
Flat?
there. Yep, flat.
Nice
Get
trade.
that, you know, when you get a chance. In and out.
We're a short 1 MES still. That was a long one.
Order filled.
Let's go still short 1. See some selling in the
91.
ES.
Oh no,
57,
88.
40. Selling off here.
88. 88. 88.
New York
Hey,
VWAP
88.
finally cut.
88.
Only 1 for Valhalla.
88.
Valhalla, 76% short in the ES, 71% short in the NASDAQ.
88.
Now turned over, rolled over. We got NASDAQ rolled over as well as the S&Ps. Overnight VWAP in the NASDAQ, 19,957. About 40 points to go till we get there.
88.
In the ES, 57.31. About 8 points till we get there.
Figure this out. 88.25.
Which are lunatics. And
80.
at the buzzer says, great trade, guys.
80.
Jay
8 points. 8.
Stops. Let's run some
8
stops into the
points.
60s now.
To the 60s, all right?
Order filled.
You have my chart up right now. You can see it. Like, I don't think the next time we get to that 5,700 SPX, I'm likely to short it again. We've had 2 real valiant efforts at getting over the hump here. Tried it again last night.
Team viewer said we got 2 hours is too much.
But it failed.
Yes,
Antonio, let me see.
Suleiman in the
Can we do this?
will be joining us in
Can
about
we do
25
this?
minutes.
Can we do
Slap
this?
that roast beef.
70s.
Found the confetti.
Hey, Tony, do you know who Zero Day J is? Do you know some of the personalities out there in the trading space? You're about to become a YouTuber. You got to get to know some of these characters, man.
Yeah, I do not know Zero Day J.
50 points for Alpine right now.
Coming on
Let's
after
go.
us.
Is it
See some more
0
selling.
day expiration options?
I know he's the man.
When there's big candles like that,
Let me
Wait
join
a
us.
minute.
like candles.
Wait a minute.
But, all right, see some more selling 19,980.
That's right.
What does that mean?
ES. They love you in the chat, Tony.
79, 70.
Good to hear.
Good to hear. Three word answers for my guy Tony, man.
More.
You're gonna do
Tony,
great
we
this
love you
YouTube
here,
shit,
too.
Tony. With those
You need to
We love
have
you
a
here, too.
active. Your email that
When
you
you're
that'll be my
texting
handle.
your
Girl
needs
you
to be the
like.
same email that you use
Keyword Tony.
for Take Profit Trader.
3 words, Tony. He's a man. 19,977.
How often do you look
There's a
at other
smile. There was
stocks
someone
and
said,
you
"Get
set
Tony to smirk." We got him to smirk.
Order filled.
I don't look at
Let's trade there.
stocks. I know some people actually do that.
19,974.
Why they look at Nvidia,
Oh, no.
There's that up button I'm
All
looking
roads,
for in
George.
the 60s.
70, 100.
Okay, 22%
Now, if we could find some support,
But for
I'm
me,
gonna
like, I
look
would like to
along
start
this.
looking at either instruments. Look at, I'm gonna trade this setup. The setup is
Good, Antonio. Good on your part. You didn't go in for that one.
72% short in the ES.
Didn't go that for that one. That's good. So we just broke the 30.
Where's the stop
We
button?
probably reject right here.
Looking at
Right
stuff
here,
like this,
reject.
right there.
Reject. Well, we got 7 minutes.
Ran those stops.
Okay.
Now let's see if we find
So
support.
here,
Maybe we could hold this New York session
I'm
to
looking to
find
add.
some type of
Test the
reversal.
I'm
maybe
looking
a
to add.
bar reversal.
Or
And
this is the one
long.
that's because it's a crucial. It will make sense for this to go back up,
Overnight is?
because if it does,
Yeah, we ran those stops.
just
past me.
what
We
is
bought out of 65s.
this
30-point pop there.
one?
Mm-hmm.
We got flat.
Ah, that's the anchor BWAP. Anchor BWAP right here. Anchor BWAP. I'm gonna make that baby different so I can, at least for now, understand it.
Up. Down a little bit.
There we go. Oh no, there's this. What I can do is make it a little
Okay, let's
bigger.
see how this works out. We still have a few minutes till this 5-minute
Let me
candle
see
closes.
something.
We do.
Yeah, that's the one. Okay, so that's the anchor
Call-ups
BWAP.
coming, as well as hot streaks and big board. Whenever we're ready, Jack, we can do some call-ups.
Yeah.
50 on the tilt right now. Whatever.
Let's hit them real quick. God, we
All right,
didn't
let's
get to
do it.
them yesterday, so let's give the people their
Oh,
due.
sweet. Excellent. Let's do it.
All right, our certificate. For those
Say it.
trans over who I just can't speak
Say it.
right now. Transferred over to live biggest starting balance. Zilzbeck S
Nice
from
job.
Illinois. Our
Is that how you
homeboy
pronounce
here.
it?
Where was he from again?
Is that-
I'm trying to remember. Somewhere we know in Illinois. He's
Great
starting
job
with
on the name.
$20,200 in his funded live account. He's trading the NQ and MNQ. Great job, Mr. Z. Yeah, I pronounced it right, but I'm only doing it once. That was
Well done.
why I was tangling.
So
out.
he rebound of
Let's
the
see the rest of the
50.
others called up. On
He
St.
got
Patrick's
close
Day, we got
to
Jackson P,
settlement.
kind of like a futuristic version of my
It
name.
bounce
17 grand,
off
Scott E,
with more power
14,500.
of the
And from Andorra, we got
Amazing.
Francisco P.
and all
Yes,
those
that is the
Order
first
orders
filled.
that I
Andorra
saw.
I've seen.
It was for
Yeah.
this.
Wow. Very cool. Andorra.
So this makes a lot of sense.
For those that are wondering.
Huge sense to go long.
Spain. I mean, it is.
We're gonna
tucked
go
in there. Oh,
5.
you know where Andorra is?
Order filled.
We're gonna go 5 long. And the
That's gonna
idea
help
is
you,
to
man.
have the stop right here at
Is that gonna help you?
Sorry.
You just need to know
I'll
where
look it up.
Andorra is.
9A6.
That's right. My bad.
9A6.
Between France and Spain. I got. Shout out to Andorra. It's like Monaco. Yep. Tony's the best, man. 100%.
one trade, went against me, lost 10 grand on one trade.
Congrats to all those that got called up.
6.
Full
We're
ball.
risking
All those big
325.
Real trades,
Right?
real executions, real losses.
325.
Always
We're
worth
risking
613.
325.
Top step.
Let's see how it rolls.
You're cooking.
Yeah, man,
I
Andre,
think what I did wrong
that trade
was
He did.
to-
got a 3
buy
bar reversal.
everything at
Now
once.
it's 20 points off of it. That's
So
what,
that
that's
was
what I was
or
looking for,
is
man.
wrong
Points
on
off
my
that.
part.
You
So I
shorted
could buy it
the
in
short
chunks.
23s you
I could
covered,
put
nice.
an order here, order
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
And
order
you're
here,
looking for long.
order
I know
here.
what you're talking- Yeah, you're looking for the
To
long.
avoid
that
the
one was
drawdown.
frustrating. I was looking for this pullback down to break these 960s for it feels like an hour. We finally got there, and instantly bounced. We pulled back down to this VWAP, and that it's. I mean, I'm looking at this little support resistance area, and there's probably two opportunities. Either get in long on hit right around here, or enter on the breakout of this 3 bar reversal, and it sure as heck happened really quick. Missed them all. Next.
Absolutely. We do have some hot streaks. Hey, Miguel doing it. We got big board. Everyone's flat right now, right? Yeah. Everything is updated. Well, if we want to do it quick. We'll see how we go into the end of fast markets. If you're good to go, Gabe, let's do some big board. People love the big board. Tony, you're number 34 on the big board. Do you pay attention to the name? I love it. My guy. All right, Gabe, come on. Hopefully I get back on it. It's 5 words. I love it, Tony. You're the absolute man.
That's the cake with the 5 word, Tony.
I love you, man. Gabe, come on in. Let's check out the big board.
Order filled.
We're gonna hit some hot streaks first. So here are your funded.
Oh, I didn't move the chingadera.
Miguel actually didn't
Crap.
trade yesterday,
But
so,
you see what I mean?
if he jumps
You see what I'm talking about?
it'll more than likely be
That
tomorrow.
it makes sense for this to work here. It makes total sense. That's the reversal candle, man.
Tallying up 43rd.
That's the reversal candle. Let's try it again.
$15,615. Yeah, Sukanti. Sukanti had a $786 day in the NASDAQ, counting up to 38 days now for a total profit of $45,243. We got Khalid.
Again,
Khalid traded
let's not do that.
MES and ended up with a green
We're
day
gonna
of
start
79
with
cents.
3.
What a day.
Don't spend it all in one
tallied
place.
yeah. Tallied up the 38th day for a total
19.
profit of just shy of $2,500. We got Philip. Now Philip hit an $80 day in the MNQ.
Pick it up, 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 pick it up. And there's a 2 right here. There's a 2 right here. Come on. Come on.
And it's going to be his 36th day for a total profit of $10,063. So those are your funded trader hot streaks for today. Eddie?
Yes.
You know what I'm looking for.
And I got it for you. Here it comes. Ladies and gentlemen.
All right, here is your big board. Now, a couple notable changes. The top 10 has changed a little bit from yesterday. You obviously saw that Rake Trades had a monster $30,000 day, moved from 12th to 9th place. Now that does bump Derek B and Jessica B down a couple slots. So the top 10 has changed just a little bit. Obviously, you see Coach Dakota still hanging in there, number 5. Another notable change, Aaron from yesterday moved up from 17th to 13th place with a
Pick me up.
Day. But here is your big board. Get your cameras ready.
Pick me up, 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 pick.
Yeah, that's the least.
Pick that one up, pick this one up too.
It is indeed.
Awesome.
All right, that's enough. Get it out of here, James. Okay, we'll get you guys back to the markets, but that's
Order filled.
Okay. Here comes the second one.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay. So now we're in. The idea is to go long. I'm long. So now I gotta fix this baby.
Dakota,
Watch
you said
this.
you, got your
Come on.
stops down below 20,000 there, didn't you?
You guys know I'm on mute.
Here we're just gonna get 2
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, I got the stops to get blown out in those 60s, and
Order filled.
that was the trade I was waiting for all morning, and failure on my end to not execute it. I don't see myself taking another trade.
But
That was
not a
it.
problem. Not a
And
challenge, man. I missed it. I missed it. I'm
yeah,
too slow.
I had a good night last night.
I need to be fast at this.
It's all the
too.
same.
Trading
Last
wise.
week, whatever.
Oh, trading wise. Trading wise. Gotcha.
Trade, trading wise, it's just yeah. This is one where you sit up and you wait and you wait and it goes almost as good as it could get down to those 60s. Runs the stop, reverses.
I'm going to come back.
And then
is establishing itself of the 9, and a lot of people will just take that and run with it.
Have a hard time not sitting.
So if anything, right here at 22.
Grieving over a missed opportunity, but yeah, that feels like just like Barron's trade yesterday. To be honest, where we got the rally, we pulled back, and that was it.
This is the pattern right here, man. People wait for this. Make that super big for you.
We're wrapping on, as I mentioned earlier, we're wrapping on the SPX 5700 for.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you out.
During.
I'm gonna help you out. Okay, so just remember, this is the 9. No, let me do it this way. So I like to teach too.
Yeah. Made 177.
Look at that.
That trade.
30% right here, right? It went below it too.
The stop was at
to the 50. That's probably 6 something or whatever. But in any event,
took it like over an hour ago.
Beautiful.
Good day. Tony, you've never used the lockout button?
I've never used it. I don't even know how to use it, to be honest with you.
We'll leave it at that. So what are your thoughts on for the rest of the day? Coming into for the rest of the day?
So I normally don't trade the afternoon.
What could it be right here, my friend?
I feel like it's a really strong.
This is the candle. This is the candle right here. Because the 50 brings in money, buyers. Then the confirmation of the anchor be what? More buyers. And then crossing the 9, more buyers. And then bam, the new candle starting right at the 9. Huge. Huge. God damn it. Understand. Huge. So hopefully we get it right here and it buys me 5. Let's just do 5 one time. 37. 37. What is this?
I do not.
Love you, man. I love you so much.
5.
You are my absolute favorite around here.
5.
I'm obsessed with you, Tony.
5. Yeah, that's better.
Left here
like, what that Gemini? You gotta be careful with this. Red, one thing. Green is another thing. Totally separate. Coke and Pepsi don't mix. So this is kind of long, but this is the dude
Order
right
filled.
here. Okay, we're in. We're in. Come on, come on, come on, come on, a little more. No, oh, do we have another one? Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna hold. You're gonna see these babies come out. So I'm in, but since I'm in long, I want to kick it into over here. 2100. 2100 right here. 2100. Come on, baby.
We're gonna get you on for reversal challenge, my man. Oh man, I cannot wait for that. People are gonna love it. We're gonna set record numbers in that reversal challenge. Have you watched the reversal challenge? Be honest.
I did watch last week. Yeah.
Right there.
What'd you think?
Right there. That's where we're going. 2100, right? Right here.
Got me hyped, and I'm trying to find a
Yeah.
strategy which
That's it.
will work for that.
That's it. Watch this.
Got a practice account that I try it in, and we'll see what happens.
Oh yes.
Okay.
All right, we'll see.
We never filled that one, right?
100%, Tony.
All right.
We can do it for this. Maybe we can do it tomorrow. We'll see what we can do.
I see it happening behind the screens now.
Okay, where is my 15-minute breakout?
We're getting bumped, Tony. Look at you throwing your weight around here. cut to the front of the line, Tony. Say it will be tough.
930 breakout right here.
I know. I got bumped too.
That's what.
Gold. Let's calm down. 30.47. Night highs. New all-time highs, 30.65. Crude topped out at $68.22, about 18 cents lower right now.
You gotta look at the mental of it in the sense of like, hey,
Zero day, Jay. Let's take a look at the schedule for the rest of the day.
I've gotten payouts, I've gotten.
Oh, Jack E and Mick, one spot trading. Dolby, Coach Jane, Oliver, back to the futures. In Power Hour, D. Anne Marie, Dolby, and myself. Love to see that, of course. Go to slow markets at the buzzer. Jay and Paul.
Have less sessions. I mean, you see on Twitter all the time.
Oh, also, Tony, if you do win, if you win reversal challenge, you have to come back. That's one of the things you need to know. So, when you win,
Oh yeah.
you have to come back to
You guys will get sick of me.
Oh no, absolutely not, man.
Oh, that's confident.
Absolutely
Confident.
not, man.
It's pretty crazy how fast it's snowballed. Like, if you try to snowball
Dakota, you've done reversal challenge, yeah? Oh yeah, that's right.
I won the very first one.
Yeah, you
The very first one.
count for like nothing.
So good they had to change the rules.
It's like, God, he hits that fucking like really
Shaq.
the challenge.
Sure.
Like
Oh, come on.
Oh, there's trash talking in there too, Tony. So
I just close my eyes and be like, watch
I'm
this.
very bullish on Tony. Very
But if I
bullish.
try to
I
do
can
that,
take it.
no way. The fucking way. Or have you ever had it where your maybe emails that are
Well,
Yeah, working like a charm, man. It's gonna go up because we have this baby right here. This is the guide. The guide. Let's make a name for it. Oh, that looks like a.
We'll lock it out. Lock it up.
Oh, I'm not even going to go there because
I'm done.
we
Yeah,
are
yeah,
in
let's-
trouble here.
let's go
But
to my, manual
Show Tony, hold
lockout
up.
button.
yeah,
Slow
it's
down
a
here, slow
dodgy.
down.
It's
Tony,
one
that
of
sounds
those.
done.
It has the proper name. Let's not even
All right, talk us
change.
through it, Dakota.
Go ahead.
But that's it. But anyway,
15 long.
but you see
Okay,
how that
manual lockout.
Stop sign.
has power, and my stop is going to be right here at
Yeah,
19.
you customize what you want, right? You
19
15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, all day. You customize
9:51.
by a time, and yeah, whatever you want to do on here. If you lock it out for 15 minutes, you cannot trade and as soon as that 15 or 30 minutes are up, then you can start trading again, or you could just do all day and say I'm done trading for the day and call it good. And no
That's
trades for the
cool.
rest of the day. So you can choose whichever. A lot of traders in my slow market class
Asking
once you
400
wanna trade and it's
to
so
make.
easy to trade. A lot of times I'll come in here and say I'm not going to trade until
What the hell?
an hour after the New York session open.
To make
That
500.
is typically what I like to do.
Like 1-to-1.
But other than that, no,
Picture
lock out
that.
all day for me. I'm done for the day. Lock me out and I'm done.
And that cool graphic
Okay,
box
so
on
we're
Tony.
going to leave.
It's just on TV, it doesn't actually show.
Real account 300.
Could you imagine if it popped
Tony,
up on
Practice account 500, 600 and counting.
Thanks for being a good sport
And we're out of here.
Dakota, great trading. Tony, house it
Right.
down a little bit, make it back.
Thank you very much.
Recap